Shades of Shay.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing passion twists. This is how the hair comes, but I separate it and then I just really reuse the hair from the crochet hair. This is the brand that we will be using right here. Now, I know you read viral, and I literally meant that. I posted this method on TikTok and it has over 1 million views, 7,000 saves, and over 4,000 shares. So you know this is the truth. This method would shave off hours and simplify the entire process. And guess what? It's 100% beginner friendly. This can be a DIY style and it's trendy and definitely affordable. I don't know if you've seen the original method of passion twist where they use water wave hair or some sort of hair with the same curl pattern as water wave, but sometimes you don't know if you twist into the left or the right. It's very confusing, and sometimes you have to make sure you find the same curls in order for the style to work. It can be a headache. I've done that style numerous times and it has made me take it off the booking site because baby, you got to go. As previously shown, I use Made Beauty Braid Passion Pop in 18-inch. This pack has 36 strands per pack, and I use 1.5 packs of hair. It comes with 7 colors, and guess what, guys? Amazon sells this as well if you cannot find it in your local beauty supply store. Now, in my beauty supply store that I found it in at this time when I did the style, it was $9.99. But guys, we have hit inflation, and it's not $9.99 anymore. But the price really doesn't matter to you guys because you guys don't live in my area. Now, let's get into this tutorial. So you're going to take this hair and divide it row by row as if you would do any of these styles. But with these, I would recommend not making the box too small because this hair is very juicy, it's very voluminous. So the smaller the braid, the fuller the hair will be. But you will braid the beginning of each one of the twist that you're going to have. Now, when it comes to the hair, I have already separated it at the beginning before I started my client's hair. So therefore, this will be a smooth process. I would recommend that. It will help you go faster. But as you can see, I braid it down a little bit and then I twist it. So I'm going to wait till the next one and I'm going to explain the entire process. Okay, so with your twist that is already untwisted, you will insert your crochet hook upside down, take the beginning part of it and pull the hair through the loop. This will be your third leg. So with this will make sure they are secured. With regular passion twists, they tend to slip out. Right here, you're going to take this and you're going to braid it down. I braid this down to add another level of security to it, and it's literally only about 5 times, so you don't really see the braid.
Shades of Shay.
Now, once I get done with that braid, you're going to divide the natural hair into 2, and you're going to twist. I am twisting with this hair. You could twist left over right, and every twist will be the same uniform, left over right, left over right. Now with the hair, you can saturate it with whatever braiding gel that you use, not anything thick, more a loose texture. I will link below the product that I use, which is Shine and Jam. You will use that and it's literally the same motion going all the way down to the ends. With the ends, you could knot them if you want to. You don't really have to, but this method is so easy.
Shades of Shay.
As you can see, with this method, when I go ahead and part the rows, I go ahead and also impart each twist out and do the braid section at the beginning. Now, when I braid down, I only braid down maybe about 5 times. This is just a level of security. This is the reason why I do this. I don't use any rubber bands. This method is better this way. The rubber bands, they can tend to slip as well. Now look how juicy these twists are. They are very juicy. This did not take long. All of them look uniform. And at the end, you're just going to take some mousse and put it on. I will insert a picture of the mousse over here to the left. This is the mousse that I use. It is Shine and Jam. It is the orange one. It smells amazing. And yeah, I just lightly put it on the hair down to the ends. The ends do not come unraveled with this style. I do put a little knot at the end, the same way you would do braids. But this style is best when you do it to the client's volume. Meaning, don't put a bunch of little D's in the hair if they don't have thick hair. This client, she doesn't have very thick hair, so this was the right amount. 3 reasons I recommend this hair over other brands. 1, other brands I have tried with this method have ended up being like the original method of not knowing which way to twist the hair. 2, also some brands have smaller pieces that they have added throughout the twist that are confusing to put back in, and then it can make the twist seem inconsistent, causing the braids to be skinnier than what they were, meaning they're not juicy and full. 3, this texture goes well with textured hair because it is similar to blown out natural hair, and it also ages well. Y'all, when I say she is feeling herself, she is most definitely feeling herself. She did not know how she would look with this style. So that's why the very first time she came to me, or the first 2 times, I want to say she got knotless. But this time, I was like, I think those passion twists will look really good on you. She's like, I don't know. So I said, just trust me. And guys, she fell in love with it. When she came back, to bring her daughter for an appointment, and her appointment was like that following week. She was like, girl, I sleep don't want to take these out. She was like, but I'm going to because I got to get my hair done. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you guys for watching, and please follow me on all social media platforms at Shades of Shay _ at the end. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. I am here to help you guys, and you guys talk to me. Don't be scared. Bye.